I tell you what, boys, it's hard being me. I tell you what, boys, it's hard being me. I go to sleep at night and it's like I just think of awesome things. I know you guys, you probably don't because you're simple, but for someone so sophisticated and it's just the amount of knowledge, honestly, it's like being a genius.
Well, we're certainly blessed to be in the presence of somebody so...
I guess...
Is egotistical the right word?
No.
I think I think
brilliant. I'd rather go brilliant. Eccentric, maybe, but that's more or less...
A little flamboyant.
Flamboyant, kind of like Liberace. A lot like Liberace.
All right.
Hey man, who's driving this? Who's driving this thing, bro? You want to put some boards down?
That's
so
what I'm saying, yeah.
No, it wasn't. Actually, you didn't at all say that.
You get the boards from over here.
You got to use your words, bro. Hey, look right here. I'm going to put it right here in the middle, and it'll just stand up right here, like this. You don't think that's enough?
It's all good.
That's good. That's plenty. Actually, I got to slide it back. Or let me push this forward, son. There we go.
That was good.
Well, boys and girls.
That works.
Oh, it worked even better than that in my dream. Gotta watch that, Tori. Make sure we don't hit that red car. I don't care if we lose legs or anything else, but do not hit that red car. Go right there. I want that member. There you go. I want that cross member there. Look at that. Friggin' perfect.
That is perfect.
So pale, and I don't wanna take a trail in the world. I can love you, yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'll give you all of what I've got. The fancy finds, baby, I have not. Just gonna love you, yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart and hope to die.
That can be touched up. That needs to get seep soon. Everything else can seep soon.
Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart and hope to die.